episode of Pearle Technique and you're watching your favorite channel. That's what I would like to say. I hope it is true and I hope it becomes real now because that's how much we are working hard towards achieving a goal of 1 lakh subscribers. Hope you all support us and make us grow. Let's all grow together as a family. So today we're going to unbox a Samsung Galaxy A54, which is actually one of their premium Android smartphone, and it's like a mid-range phone. So let's get to the unboxing. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A54. So when you look at the packaging, it's a very cute box. It's very sleek, as you see. Now let's unbox it and see what it's inside. Okay. Again, they have the papers on the side. They have the SIM ejector. They have the C to C cable but no adapter, so a little disappointed there. And they have the SIM ejector over here. Now look at the phone, guys. So it's actually a very cute phone. Whoa. Okay, it's a heavy phone, and it's a. I like the matte finish on the side. It looks nice over here, and obviously the back and the front over here is Gorilla Victus, and on the back again it's a glass finish. Usually they always came up with plastic backs, but this time they have come up with a glass back, and on both sides they have glass, which is really cool. Okay, anyway, they have maintained their iconic the 3 inline camera position, which is actually unique to their company, and I think that is really cute. And again, the flashlight is over here. They have the volume buttons and the power button on the right side, and on top they have the dual SIM and also the microphone. On bottom they have the USB charging port and also the microphones, and again they have the speaker over here. And on the left side it is left very clean and neat. At the back side we have the triple camera with LED flash. The primary lens is 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro lens. The front camera has 32 megapixel. Looking at the screen is actually 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display. It has 120 Hz refresh rate and also 1000 nits at peak brightness. It's got an 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Yet another variant is 256 GB. Its battery capacity is 5000 mAh with 25 watts charging. With regard to the colors, they have 4 options. We have here the awesome graphite, they also have awesome white, awesome violet and also awesome lime. So coming to the processor side of it, Samsung is actually using their in-house chipset, which is actually an Exynos 1380 5G, and I really think the processor did not really perform previously in their A53 model, which is why this year they replaced it with the Snapdragon 8 Gen in their S23 Ultra. But still, it's really sad to see them using their same, in-house chipset, which is underperforming in their mid-range phones. But you know what? So yeah, let's appreciate that they have given us this. But let's not explore too much with the, multitasking. If you're using it for a normal purpose, like, one thing at a time, very mediocre use, I think this phone is going to be helpful. The processor is going to give you 5 years update, so maybe that might help you, I believe, but I'm still not sure about the processor. That's the only thing which is kind of, making me take one step back from this phone. In terms of connectivity, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5 and 5G network. Now let's explore the camera and the speakers. I think the audio quality is great because they have claimed for a Dolby Atmos audio quality and they have provided us with that. The A54 comes at 42,000 rupees, but there are other websites where you can get it for a lower range. But again, if you ask me if you should buy this phone, I think it's a little tricky because kind of features they are delivering and also the kind of price range, I don't really think it balances. So you might want to wait for some more time, wait for the price range to come a little lower and then buy it, okay? Overall, for a mid-range phone, it's a nice phone if you want to use it for like a mediocre, not something extreme, but if you're going to use it normally, it's a very good mid-range phone. It's time to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, which is Oxygen, the digital expert. Thank you so much for giving us the best gadgets, and they have also home appliances. So if you're gonna visit an Oxygen showroom, make sure you use my code, which is Pearle1000, and you get a discount of 1000 rupees on any purchase. That's all today for today's episode, and hope you guys liked it. Comment your thoughts below. I would love to read them, and also make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Pearle Mani, and you're watching Pearle Technique.